These 3 natural collagen creams can actually reverse the signs of aging, smooth out fine lines, and give you that youthful glow you thought was gone forever. But here's the shocking part. Cream number 3 contains an ingredient that 99% of people have sitting in their kitchen right now, but they have no idea it's one of the most powerful anti-aging ingredients on the planet. Once you see what this cream can do for your skin, you'll never waste another dollar on department store brands again. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Now, before I show you how to make all 3 creams at home, I want to explain something most people never hear from dermatologists or beauty companies. The real reason most anti-aging creams don't work is because they only treat the top layer of the skin. They sit on the surface, they feel soft and creamy, but they don't actually do anything to rebuild collagen. And if collagen isn't being restored, you can moisturize forever and still watch your skin sag, thin, wrinkle, and lose elasticity year after year. Collagen lives in the deeper layer of the skin, and after age 25, our natural collagen production drops about 1% every year. It drops even faster if you eat a lot of sugar, don't sleep well, stay stressed, or get too much sun. So if you want skin that looks younger, smoother, and tighter, you have to give the body the raw materials it needs to build collagen again. That's why these 3 creams work. They're not just moisturizers. They actually support collagen structure, cell repair, and skin regeneration at a deeper level. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. So let's jump into cream number 1, which is one of the most effective natural ingredients for boosting collagen and repairing the skin barrier. And the best part? You only need 1 main ingredient. Cream number 1 is pure, raw shea butter, not the kind that's mixed with fragrance and fillers. I'm talking about unrefined natural shea butter that still contains its vitamins, fatty acids, and skin-healing compounds. Shea butter is loaded with something called triterpenes. These compounds have been studied for their ability to stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and help the skin recover from UV damage. And when your skin barrier is healthy, you lose less moisture, which means fewer wrinkles and less crepey skin. Shea butter also contains vitamin A and vitamin E, 2 nutrients that are directly involved in skin cell turnover and elasticity. Vitamin A supports collagen genes, and vitamin E protects your existing collagen from breaking down. When you apply shea butter regularly, you're helping both sides of the anti-aging process, preventing collagen loss and promoting new collagen formation. Now let me give you the DIY recipe, because this is not just scooping shea butter out of a jar and slapping it on your face. If you do it that way, it can feel thick, greasy, and hard to spread. But when you turn it into a whipped cream, it melts into the skin and absorbs beautifully. Here's the recipe. 1/2 cup of raw, unrefined shea butter, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil or sweet almond oil, optional, 5 drops of essential oil like frankincense or lavender for scent and extra skin support. Soften the shea butter by placing the container in warm water for a few minutes. Then whip it with a hand mixer or a fork until it becomes fluffy. Add the oil and keep whipping until everything is blended and smooth. Store it in a small jar or glass container with a lid. Use it at night as your final skincare step. If you live in a dry climate, you can also use it during the day, just a smaller amount. Most people notice a change in texture and hydration in about a week, but the real collagen improvement happens around the 30-day mark, especially if you're also eating a clean diet and staying hydrated. And one quick note, if you have oily skin, don't skip shea butter. It's actually non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog pores. People with acne-prone skin often see less redness and faster healing. All right, that's cream number 1. Let's move to cream number 2, which is all about restoring damaged collagen and preventing it from breaking down. And this one surprises a lot of people because we don't use the fruit, we use the part that most people throw away. Cream number 2 is a pomegranate peel collagen repair cream. The peel of the pomegranate contains something called ellagic acid. This compound has been studied for its ability to block enzymes that destroy collagen, especially enzymes triggered by UV exposure, sugar, and inflammation. That means this cream doesn't just boost collagen, it protects the collagen you already have from being broken down. Ellagic acid also helps with skin brightening, smoothing discoloration, and evening out skin tone. If you've ever had sunspots, age spots, or melasma, this ingredient is especially helpful, and the antioxidants in pomegranate peel are incredibly powerful, far higher than vitamin C serums and most store-bought anti-aging creams. Now here's how to make it. You'll need the peel from 1 organic pomegranate. Wash it well, dry it, and place the peel in a dehydrator, or bake it on the lowest temperature in your oven until it becomes crisp. Once dry, grind it into a fine powder using a blender or coffee grinder. You should end up with 2 to 3 tablespoons of pomegranate peel powder. Now for the base. You can mix the powder with aloe gel, shea butter, jojoba oil, or even a simple unscented natural lotion. The formula I like best is this: 1 tablespoon pomegranate peel powder, 3 tablespoons aloe gel, 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, 5 drops of rosehip oil for extra vitamin C and fatty acids. Mix everything until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse or leave it on overnight if your skin likes richer creams. Use it 3 to 4 times per week. If you want faster results, join our Collagen Blueprint community, where you'll get routines, recipes, and courses to firm your skin naturally. Now here's the cool part. Studies show that ellagic acid can help restore skin density and firmness by slowing the breakdown of collagen fibers. If you compare pictures before and after 6 weeks of use, you can literally see a change in jawline firmness and cheek volume. And this is just from topical use, not injections or supplements. That's why I picked this as cream number 2 instead of something more common like aloe or coconut oil. This one actually works at the collagen level. Alright, now let's get to cream number 3, the one from the intro, the one sitting in your kitchen right now that almost nobody realizes is one of the most powerful skin healing ingredients on earth. Cream number 3 is beef tallow. Yes, the same fat you might cook with. People have been using tallow on their skin for thousands of years, long before modern cosmetics even existed, and there's a reason it works so shockingly well. The structure of beef tallow is incredibly similar to the natural oils in human skin. That means instead of sitting on top, it actually absorbs and nourishes the deeper layers of the skin. Tallow is rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins play a direct role in skin repair, collagen formation, elasticity, and cell renewal. It also contains stearic acid and palmitic acid, which help strengthen the skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. People who switch to tallow cream often notice that their skin stays hydrated all day, instead of drying out 2 hours after applying a store-bought moisturizer. Now here's the part most people never hear. The reason tallow helps rebuild collagen is because it contains natural compounds the skin uses as building blocks, not just to stay moisturized, but to actually repair structure. This is why it works so well on thin, crepey skin, crow's feet, sun damage, scars, and fine lines, especially after age 40. Let me give you the recipe. 3 tablespoons grass-fed beef tallow, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil or olive oil. Optional, 5 drops of lavender or frankincense essential oil. Gently warm the tallow just until it melts. Do not microwave it. Add the jojoba oil, stir, and let it cool until it becomes solid again. Whip it with a spoon or mixer to make it creamy. Store in a glass jar. Use it at night after cleansing. A little goes a long way. If your skin feels greasy, you use too much. You can also use it on your neck, chest, hands, and even under the eyes. And yes, it is safe for sensitive skin, rosacea, eczema, and damaged skin barriers. Now let me answer the same question everyone asks when they hear about beef tallow skincare. Does it smell? If it is grass-fed and rendered properly, it has almost no smell at all. If yours smells like cooking oil, it wasn't purified correctly. You want creamy, white, odor-free tallow. You can buy it ready to use or make it yourself from grass-fed fat trimmings. So now you know all 3 creams. But the most important thing isn't just knowing them, it's knowing how to use them based on your age and skin type. If you're under 35, use cream number 1 or 2 at night and save the tallow for winter or dry climates. If you're 35 to 50, rotate all 3. Shea for moisture and collagen support, pomegranate peel for collagen repair and pigmentation, and tallow for deep nourishment. If you're over 50, I recommend using tallow at night, pomegranate peel every other day, and shea butter during the day as a natural barrier cream. The older the skin, the more you want fat-soluble nutrients, deep moisture, and collagen-protecting ingredients. And if you want faster results, combine topical care with the right foods. That means protein for amino acids, vitamin C for collagen assembly, minerals like zinc and copper, omega-3s for inflammation control, and low sugar so your collagen doesn't get destroyed by glycation. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group, all for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button, so YouTube knows to share this video with more people. Comment below and tell me which cream is your favorite, or if you want a part 2 with collagen-boosting oils or serums, you can make it home. Simple, natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.